My name is Mike Tarr, and I'm the Director of Maintenance at Tulip City Air Repair.
My name is Bob Sprik. I'm a pilot for one of the companies here on the field.
Tulip City Air Repair chose West Michigan Regional Airport for its location. It's a nice facility. There's a ton of local businesses here in West Michigan, so it was kind of a no-brainer that this is where we wanted our facility to be. We handle all routine maintenance, annual inspections, progressive inspections, along with the pop-up AOG, aircraft on ground, which is usually the highest priority for maintenance.
We operate a corporate aircraft, corporate jet. If we have a problem, Tulip City, they're here on the field for us. They're able to actually come right away, get it taken care of so we can keep our schedule, which has been a fantastic thing for us.
I think what sets Tulip City Air Repair apart is the team that we have. There's a wide variety of skill sets within the team, and we can pretty much handle anything. We've got a lot of military guys working on rotorcraft all the way up to jets. We're dedicated to safety and making sure that our customers get the best experience possible.
They do a great job. They know what I expect of them, and they know what they can expect from me. Being able to interact on a one-to-one basis is much easier than trying to go through a channel of people. In the past, before they brought the service in, we've had to fly aircraft as far as Tennessee in order to get aircraft repaired and to have them inspected. So having it on the field makes a huge difference to us. Specifically, it allows us to operate more efficiently.
We'll try and get them in the air as quick as possible. Airplanes don't make any money sitting on the ground, so our goal is to make sure that we keep them flying while we're ensuring that the job gets done safely as well.
We're seeing a backlog of people that want to base aircraft here. With that comes more economic development for the area.
The feedback with Tulip City Air Repair has been very great. The rumblings around town, everybody's very pleased with our service, and it's all been positive feedback thus far. Our customers have a great deal of trust in our technicians, and that's what keeps them coming back.